loves, so today I'm back with the 22-inch clip-in hair extensions from O Wigs. Today I want to show you guys how this hair actually curls. Actually, tomorrow I'm going out to my favorite restaurant of all time and I want to crimp my hair, and I bought this crimper about a month or two ago and I've never used it, so I'm going to try crimping this hair. But I'm still going to show you on one of the wefts how this hair actually curls, just in case you're interested in purchasing the hair. I want you guys to see how it curls. I will be doing an actual curling video where I curl all the hair next. I will also be doing a heatless curling video because that's what I was requested to do, so I have to buy some flexi rods. And I will also be showing you guys how to put this up in a high ponytail or a high bun. If you've visited my Instagram or my blog, you've probably already seen what this hair looks like up in a high bun. So I have many more videos coming showing you different ways to style this hair because this hair is incredibly versatile. But for today, like I said, I'm just going to show you how this one weft curls, and I have all the other wefts in my hair right now, and I will be showing you how this hair looks when you crimp it. So stay tuned if you're interested. So right now I'm just going to show you how this one weft curls. This is the only weft that is not in my head right now. I showed you in my last video where I reviewed this hair how I actually put this hair in, and I put the hair in exactly the same way as I put it in last time, and I have one weft left over. I do put all the long wefts, you know, in the back, and then I put these short wefts like this on this side of my head. I don't put any on this side of my head. So I have 3 short ones like this on this side and none on this side. And I do have this at the highest heat, so we'll see how well it does. And like I said before in my review of this hair, this is the silky texture. And usually silky textures don't curl as well as yucky textures, so we'll see how this does. And this curled amazingly well. Look how well this curled. My real hair doesn't even curl this well. So this is the curl. So I can't wait to do a full head of this. I think this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. But like I said, for tomorrow I really want to try this hair crimped. So if you were trying to debate on whether to get this hair depending on how it curled, I can definitely say it curls really well. I didn't put any type of styling products in this hair, no hairspray, nothing. This is the crimping iron that I actually purchased a couple months ago. It's brand new. This is by the Bedhead brand and it's called Bedhead Totally Bent. And then you can see on the inside it has the crimping plate. So this is what I will be using today to crimp my hair, and of course I'll be putting it on the highest heat, so let me warm this up. The only thing that I'm worried about is I have washed my hair so many times because I've been wearing my hair out for probably 2 months now, and I didn't plan on wearing it out this long, but I've really been enjoying my clip-in hair extensions. So yeah, I've been wearing my hair out for super long. I washed my hair already like 4 times, which means I've put heat in my hair 4 times because I've straightened it 4 times. So the only thing I'm worried about is after I crimp my hair, I'm gonna want to wear my hair straight again, so I'm gonna have to use the flat iron to straighten my hair again, and so that's a ton of heat being put in my hair. So that's the only thing I'm worried about, is putting too much heat in my hair. But after this, I'm gonna be wearing my hair underneath a wig for a long time, so my hair will have plenty of time to recover. Like I said before, I won't be combing out the crimps. I think it looks best when it's freshly crimped and not combed out. So yeah, let me try to put this hair away. Kinda nervous, y'all. I'm kinda nervous. I've never crimped my hair before and I don't want it to and I'm hoping it comes out good because this is how I want to wear my hair tomorrow. I don't even know if I should do a section that's this big, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna do a smaller section. So I'm not done yet. I noticed that when I crimp my real hair, the texture of my real hair of course changes, but it gets a little more coarser and a little drier than the hair extensions do. The hair extensions pretty much stay silky but are crimped, whereas my real hair gets a little drier and it's not as silky as it was before I started crimping it. So yeah, that's just one thing I've noticed. So let me finish up this side of my hair.